This tutorial video will demonstrate to parents and guardians how to create an open enrollment account on the Family Dashboard. The Family Dashboard is utilized to submit open enrollment applications for students to attend schools outside of their zone school. If you already have an established account, do not create a new account. Simply log in with your email address and password. For new users, select the icon Create Open Enrollment Account. A new screen will appear where you will enter your parent-guardian name, address information, telephone contacts, provide public schools employee information, if applicable, and login information. All fields with an asterisk are required. This is building your profile for your account. Information inputted today may always be updated by the user in the future. Begin by entering your name and address. The address should be your current residential address. Check to indicate if you are a Brevard County resident. Enter your telephone information. You can note if you would like to receive text messages. The online system will send out text messages when there has been an update to an application. Enter Brevard County employee identification number and location if applicable. Enter your login information. The email address that you enter will become your username. Ensure that the email address is inputted correctly and that you enter an email address that you utilize frequently, as the system will send out electronic communication to the email address entered with updates to an application. Enter a password. Please note your password for future reference. Check to indicate that all the information is correct and accurate. Certify that all the information entered is correct and accurate. You will then select the icon Create an Account. You now have created an open enrollment account. A box will appear stating that you've created an open enrollment account and for you to log in. Select the Login button. This will take you back to the home page. Enter your email address and password you established and log in. This will take you to the Proof of Residency documentation page. This has to be completed once or when you change your residential address information. You will need to upload 2 proofs of residency, one from Tier 1 and one from Tier 2. Select the Tier 1 and Tier 2 highlight to review examples. The files uploaded must be a PDF or a JPEG file. To upload the files, click the Add Files button. Select from your computer documentation your Tier 1. Upload the file. Add your second file from Tier 2. Again, upload the file. Once the documents are uploaded, check the boxes indicating that you understand the application will not be completed without Tier 1 and Tier 2 proofs of residency. Select Continue. This will open a screen to enter the student information. You're going to select to associate a student. Complete the student name and date of birth. Check the box if there is a sibling associated to the student. Enter the student's current grade level and their current school of attendance. Enter their grade level for the coming school year and the school that the student is zoned for the coming school year. This zone school is based upon your current residential address. If you do not know the zone school for your residential address, select the Look Up School button. Once the information is complete, select Save or Associate another student. If you have additional students that will be completing applications for or may complete applications for in the future, please associate the other student. Once you've saved the information, you've now completed your open enrollment account and you are ready to begin an application.